You don't need 21 days. You don't need 90. You don't even need 7. You need one day, one decision, one moment where you stop lying to yourself and finally do what has to be done. Because the truth is this: you don't need more time, you need more truth. Today, I'm going to give you something no one else will. A 24-hour system to reset your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't motivation, this is war. Let's fix you today. Step 1. Radical self-confinement. Pick one day, just one. Turn the damn phone off. No internet, no social media, no scrolling, no texting, no dopamine drip of endless bullshit. Just you and your mind. Why? Because most people aren't broken. They're overstimulated. Your brain has no space to breathe. You're drowning in noise, in distractions, in fake validation. And the fastest way to find clarity isn't adding more. It's subtracting everything. Silence is the weapon. If you can't spend a single day alone with your own thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom, you're avoiding truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. This one's brutal. Stand in front of a mirror, no music, no affirmations, just 5 minutes of staring straight into your own eyes. And ask one question: who am I pretending to be? Not what do I want? Not how do I look? Who the fuck am I pretending to be? You'll feel it, that sting in your chest. That's the real you waking up. Because you know damn well you've been performing for the world. Wearing masks, playing roles, faking strength, faking confidence, faking happiness. Today, you stop. Today, you get honest. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Don't just think right. 3 lists. 1. The habits killing your potential. 2. The people or places draining your power. 3. The lies you tell to be accepted. Now tear it, burn it, rip it to shreds. Why? Writing is awareness. Destroying it is a declaration. A message to your subconscious: I'm not coming back. That weak version of you dies today. And once it's gone, there's only space left for the version that actually deserves the life you keep dreaming about. Step 4. The warrior hour. Now we test you. Set a 60-minute timer, divide it into 3 brutal rounds. 20 minutes. Body. Push yourself. Run. Do push-ups. Lift something heavy. Take a cold shower. It doesn't matter what. Just move until your body remembers it's alive. 20 minutes. Mind. Dump everything on paper. Every thought, every fear, every hidden anger, every buried dream. Don't censor it. Don't polish it. Vomit the chaos onto the page. 20 minutes. Spirit. Sit in silence. No music, no phone, just your breath. Just existence. You do this, and something inside you will shift. Control, presence. The kind of presence most people never feel in their entire life. Step 5. The 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., go back to the mirror. But this time, no questions, no confrontation, just one statement. Thank you for showing up. Not perfection, not progress, just presence. Because most people never give themselves a single day of full intensity. A day where they didn't run, didn't hide, didn't fake it. A day where they finally face themselves. Listen to me. You're not broken. You're buried. Buried under comfort, under fear, under distractions, under noise. But one day, one honest, raw, unfiltered day can rip all that shit away and change the trajectory of your entire life. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. So stop scrolling, stop waiting for someday. You've wasted enough time. Fix yourself today.